Did you know that we can change words by adding letters to the end? Let's learn one of the most common spelling rules in under 2 minutes. Mr. Mitchell here, and welcome to Nothing Fancy Literacy. In this lesson, we are learning about spelling rules. Today we are focusing on adding ing. Let's start with adding ing. When we add ing, the action is happening now. Jump becomes jumping. Cook becomes cooking. Play becomes playing. Most of the time, we simply add ing to the end of the word. Here are some more examples. Bark becomes barking. Blink becomes blinking. Brush becomes brushing. Snatch becomes snatching. Look carefully at how the words change. Now this is important. Most words simply add ing. Walk becomes walking. Sing becomes singing. Jump becomes jumping. But in our next spelling lesson, we'll learn that some words follow different rules. Now it's your turn. Add ing to each word. Cook. Play. Brush. Pause the video here. And then we'll check the answers together. Let's check the answers together. Cook becomes cooking. Play becomes playing. Brush becomes brushing. If you got those correct, well done. So remember, many words can change when we add letters to the end. Most words simply add ing. Keep learning with our spelling lessons playlist. Next, watch our lesson on double the final consonant. Like and subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson. I'll see you in the next video.